Put a little bit of more highlighter. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Makeup Freaks. Today I am going to do a little bit of eyeshadow using the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. I'm feeling kind of gray, so I decided to go with this shadow palette. Now let's go ahead and get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
As you guys can see, I already have my foundation, bronzer, blush, highlighter, and eyebrows done. And the reason I did this is because I kind of wanted to go a little bit more into details of how I apply my eyeshadow and why I put it in the areas that I do. We're gonna start off by placing a base color on our lid all the way up to our brow bone, and we're gonna start off with Foxy, which is this ivory color, and we're gonna use our Laura LR 112 brush. Our base color is gonna work as our plain canvas, so we're able to work with the even tone color on our eyelid and eyebrow bone area. Now that we have laid our base, now we're gonna come in with our transition color, and our transition color is gonna lay on our crease. And for our transition color, we're going to use Tease, and we're going to apply it with our brush, Firma 201 brush. Okay, now we're gonna come in and we're going to lay it on our crease area, and it's gonna be all of our crease. Remember, this is our transition color. Now that I laid my transition color, we are going to come in with our blending brush, and we are going to use the Morphe M505. And we gotta make sure that we blend in each step after every application of eyeshadow. Make sure you blend it out all the way. You don't wanna leave any patches. We're gonna try to make sure we don't go all the way up to the brow bone, because we wanna define the brow bone when we go in with our lighter color to be able to give us that nice brow lift. I did mention that I wanted to use gray colors. I know that my transition color was more on the brown neutral side, but for our crease color, we're gonna use this pistol color, which is this gray, and we're gonna use the Sigma E25 brush to apply this step. And this is only going to be on the crease as well. So this is the part where you come in again and you blend the eyeshadow, and this is your crease color. Blend, blend, blend until it's not patchy anymore. With our finger, we're gonna apply this color called Verb. And the reason I use my finger, I feel that the application goes on better when it's a shimmery color than it would be if it was a if it would be a brush. And then you grab your blending brush again and you blend the areas where the crease is to make it all blend in together and look nice and not patchy. For our inner corner and our brow bone, we're going to use Bootycall, which is this champagne color. And to apply it, we're gonna use the BDB brush, and this is the Smudge Brush. We're gonna do our brow bone first and get right underneath the eyebrows and work your way down. What I like to do is to get the whole brow underneath it to give it a nice highlight. And once I apply the eyeshadow, I go back in with my Morphe blending brush and I blend everything together. This step is very important. You gotta make sure you blend. If you don't blend, it's not going to look put together. Now we're gonna go ahead and lay in our inner corner and get a little bit of the bottom. Now with this flathead brush from BH Cosmetics, we're gonna go ahead and add the 3 colors underneath that we use for our transition color, our crease color, onto the bottom lash. We're gonna lay it on there like if we're putting eyeliner underneath our waterline. And the first color that I'm using is the one I use as transition, and this one is the Tease. And now I'm coming in with Pistol, and for the Pistol I'm only gonna go halfway. And then we're gonna go into the Verse, which is the color that's on my lid, and go into the other half, the inner half of my under eye, and blend out. Now with my Sigma eyeliner, I'm going to just put it in my waterline, which I'm going to do the top and bottom. And this is gonna make the eyeshadow pop out more. Now we're just gonna come in with the final touch, which would be your mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. What I like to do is I like to roll the mascara wand onto my eyelashes and then wiggle it through. That way it breaks up the eyelashes and they don't get clumped up, and it coats every single lash. Usually this step, you can go ahead and put the eyelashes after you apply the mascara. I'm choosing not to. I wanted to go a little bit more simple. I didn't want to overdo it with the eyelashes, so I decided just to do plain mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna hurry up and fast forward the other eye. Voila, that is how I accomplished my eyeshadow for today. I'm gonna go ahead and top off with my lipstick. I'm going to be using a BH Cosmetic liquid lipstick. I do not know the color of this one because BH Cosmetic forgot to put a name for this. And then I'm going to top it off with my lip gloss, which is this is Toffee from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And last but not least, we are going to put our setting spray so everything can stay in place for a while. And we are going to use the CoverGirl Outlast Active Setting Spray. And that is it for my look of the day. I would advise people that if they want a good makeup palette, I would invest on the Naked 2 palette. I love this palette. I feel that I need to use it more. It has beautiful neutral colors and it's a great beginner eyeshadow palette. So if you get the chance to get your hands on one, go ahead and do so. For liquid lipsticks, if you want to look for a lower end brand, BH Cosmetic, their liquid lipsticks are pretty, they last a while, and they're inexpensive as well. I believe that they retail for $8, so it's pretty good. BH Cosmetic is only in online. You cannot find this in stores. So be sure to keep that in mind when you guys are looking at their website. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and be sure to share with your friends. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you guys do subscribe, please put I subscribe on the comment section below and I will try to get back to all your messages as fast as I can. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you guys do not miss any new upcoming videos. Be sure to check me out on Instagram. I will go ahead and leave my Instagram name down in the description below. I do post up every Wednesdays and Saturdays. I love you guys and I will see you guys next time. Bye.